Hello everyone. So I'm so excited about one phase we have completed. Now, so we tested the things on the infrastructure like rack. We have our own rack, and then we have our VM infrastructure. If you remember when you joined to my class, I told you I will make you enable for each and every infrastructure. Today, if you follow your topology, there is something called cloud infrastructure. This is completely free and provided by the vendor. Who are the vendor? The leading vendor are of course Cisco. Then we have Juniper also. We have Arista. Lots of. We will see one by one. So let's today. I will not teach you how to get register and everything. I will teach you in DevOps class once I will complete the Ansible and Python. So I have already registered for my name and I got the credentials, but this is not for me only dedicated. This is a share infra where you going to use by other users also like me who has already registered with Cisco. So here we have CSR router in the cloud, always on. So how do you connect? Because this is always on, you don't need any VPN. Always on, you don't need any VPN नहीं चाहिए. No need any VPN. So what do you need? Either you going to use 22 port as a transport. 22 port means this is very good SSS, or you going to use HTTP 440. Of course, we will use once we will start DevOps, we will see the API, REST API, and we going to use the REST API is the protocol. And so today we going to use only the SSH. This we will connect with this. So how we can connect? There's two method. Tell me what are the two method?
Public IP.
Oh yeah, limit public IP. This is I'm not talking about but what are the two tool you going to use to access 22 port
Putty.
to the
Putty.
yes. Very good. Putty. So do you have Putty installed? Yes, yeah, I have given you VM and that already installed. Could you check quickly? Putty is
Yes.
installed. Okay. Now, next tool we have. What is the next tool? Let me see the IQ is working or not, which is given in in your VM already, and we are discussing throughout your class about that.
Janso.
GNS.
Tool, I'm talking about tool. Ansible automation tool. यार हद हो गई. Ansible itself is a tool by which you are able to connect, which are using the transport as a. Don't you think so?
Yeah.
Yes, it's true. Yeah,
So I
correct.
can connect using the Ansible. I can connect using the Putty, right? So Putty, you know, we will see today Ansible. Okay, first we will test using the Putty first. Okay, so I'm going to pass credential and everything here. Here, we will see that. So let me see. Can you able to see my Putty? You also do with me this project. You have to do. Please open your Putty SSS. Are you able to open your Putty or not? Your device
Yes.
supposed to connect with the internet. Are you on internet? Of course you are internet. You are talking to me. I'm going to copy this, load this. I'm going to give this credential in the tags. This is the host name. It's not my host name. This is given by the Cisco. So please copy paste same. Don't do any spacing.
I
Anything
need,
else is
I,
not going to work.
I need to save the session because as of now there is no session saved, only default setting.
Okay, leave it. That's yes. You want to. Why did you did not make the logs file? You also create the logs file. This is going to be captured. Okay. Anyhow, today we're going to test. You can do it. This is always on. You can do anytime. This is a
Yes.
host name. Take the credential, that's a developer, and the password is Cisco 12345. Please write in notepad. So developer is a user, password is this. Okay, please do right now. Okay, and SSH22 port number SSH22, click open. This is going to pop up. Login as, pass your developer is a username. Cisco C is a capital 1, SCO12345. Are you on the same page, guys? CSR100v/1.
Yes.
Congratulations, you connected to your cloud. The day one, first day you connected with the Cisco Cloud. Naval, Jitendra.
Yes, I will
Yes,
try to test. Yes.
Then first command you give show IP interface brief. Now this is your device. Please don't remove any config. But you can do the configuration. Don't change, do the TechAS authentication. Don't do that. You do anything else that's not going to impact the cloud, because Cisco tracking everything. I'm not going to be responsible. I have multiple credentials. Okay, guys, understand? Okay, this is my objective is not this. I supposed to use the another tool that is called Ansible. Are you okay? Are you able to do this till now?
yes.
Yes.
Okay, excellent, and congratulations. Okay, come to the next level. I want to connect using the Ansible tool, not using the putty. I'm going to exit. I'm not interested. Okay, leave it there. Let's come on the Ansible Cloud. I'm going to add my terminal here. Are you able to see, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So, what is the command? First, I will run the ad-hoc command. Okay, I don't want to run the play. I want to run the ad-hoc command, and we will solve the challenges to connect using the Ansible, right? We have challenges or not? So let's do Ansible ad-hoc command. So my inventory, what is the module? My inventory? Tell me, what is my inventory?
Host.
Local inventory and hostname.
Hostname?
Yeah.
So do you have inventory or not? Let's understand the cat etc Ansible host. Oh, sorry, given the hosts. I have my inventory. Can you see?
Yep.
I have my inventory. So Ansible, after Ansible, what I have to give? My inventory name. And then I will pass my module. Module is raw module, if you remember. And then argument, simple argument. So IP interface brief. So IP interface brief. And pass your credential. User is developer. Password is what? Prompt. And Cisco 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm able to get it. What about you?
Ashwin, can you please ping the password again in chat?
Okay. So password again in the chat you want. You have to write in notepad first, guys.
I have write it down, but the password,
Let me
which is
type capital C1 SCO 12345.
this is not accepting for me.
For me, it's not accepting. That's a challenge because you have to resolve the challenge. Okay, share me your screen. Share me
Okay,
screen.
you
I'm
can
going to
continue.
stop them.
No, no, you can continue. I told you na, I'm using two laptops. So you can continue. I'll resolve it myself. If won't, then I'll check with you.
Okay, so anyone who's getting Nikhil, do you getting the issue? Do you getting? Of
I'm
course, you
just
will get issue.
I'm just trying it now.
Now you just yes, you try. You share me your screen. I'm going to stop my screen. Okay, I stopped. Hello.
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay, let me change layout. Part. I'm going. Yes, Nikhil. So what is the challenge? No, no, ping module will not work, my dear.
Okay.
You have to go for raw module.
I have resolved the issue. It's working for me now. I'm in cloud.
Congratulations. How do you feel?
That is secret. I'll tell you. I will. I was
No, no,
using
no, 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 no,
spelling
no.
mistake was there in the developer.
Wait, wait, wait. What you are doing, Nikhil? Okay, pass this. Wait, Nikhil, follow me. I'm going to guide you. Ansible host name. Have you passed the host name as a cloud Cisco Cloud given? Okay, fine.
Okay, it's already there.
Show me first because this is going to be recorded. Is going to be very helpful for others. Okay, excellent. You have used the class as a cloud, Cisco Cloud. Excellent. Now you go for Ansible. Now Cisco Cloud, very good. Then follow the module, row module. Then follow with the any attributes. Excellent. Guys, what challenge you will see? You are doing from VM?
Yeah,
Okay. Do you have your local host
it's
um
on DNS as well.
as a Linux or not? Local host.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm not talking about VM. Come to the local host.
this is VM. This is my local host.
Yes.
I'm doing it from from the virtual machine.
Okay, leave it. Don't do from virtual because virtual every setting are very smooth. I have done. Go for your real machine. Open the terminal. You make it a little big and give the font size a little big because this is very too low and the recording part is not visible. So
Give me 1 second.
yes,
Now, I don't know if is this visible.
you have to set the console set you.
This is through Putty actually.
Yes, you can right click. I'm going to tell you how you have to do. Just go for putty, right click. Go for putty. Yes,
Yeah,
open
that's
this
this.
phase. Wait, let's set the parameter. let's set the open the putty. Let's set the parameter. Go for terminal appearance. Yes. No, go for terminal. Font.
Is
Okay.
it
Yes.
font?
Yes. Change. Go for change for 16 or 20. 20 16. 16 is more than enough. Ah, yes, quite good. Now you make it full screen. Okay. Now great. We are in. You make it full screen.
Hold on one
Okay.
second. Yes.
Thank you. So now let's do the Ansible. Now you create the inventory here.
I don't think. Yeah, I do have anyway.
So you create inventory and give the host name. Just copy paste. Just give a host name. That's all. Okay. You want
Let
class?
me do that. Let me do the class
Okay. Okay.
so I can use that easily.
Yes. Right.
What happened?
Click right click and do the paste.
I tried doing it. Hold on one second.
Copy. And now is there you can't use that. You have to the Control Shift V. Then you have to use.
Control Shift D. That didn't work.
Okay, then you use right click on your cursor. Right click on your cursor.
Give me 1 second. Let me get out of this first. I'm on a route.
Ashway, just one question.
Yes.
I'm in cloud, and when I cloud, I pass show IP interface brief. So whose loopback address is it? Like,
No, someone else like you. Someone else is created.
okay,
You want to create a loopback, you can create a loopback, because how do you do your testing? When once we will start for REST API, that time you will do lots of testing. I want to create one interface, I want to remove one interface. So you can create your own interface, you can remove your own interface.
okay, understand. Yeah.
Verify once. Oh, no, you are not able to ping. You are not able to ping.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Cool.
You want to check the?
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go. Yes.
So we have the name there. Okay.
Okay. So that's the name. Just copy. Okay. Yes. That's a good raw model. Swipe interface brief and pass your command. I want to see the challenge.
So it's
Daffy
a C.
Hellman challenge. Do you remember we have discussed the Cipher and Daffy Hellman group? We have saw one. Okay. So you have to change the group. Now you do. So you are doing for entire system. Okay. That's not.
I'll just add that here over here. It would be easier.
Okay. Just do that.
Which one offering? So we want to do development group 14
Yes, 14 you have to do, not 1.
for this. Give me 1 second. Huh?
So guys,
pasted.
now onward I'm going to, any of you have to share your screen and we will complete our project. Otherwise there's no meaning, because you guys going to lost your old stuff. Where what doing?
I'm in SSH configuration file to add the film group in it.
So you went into the, okay, SSH.
Hold on one second. Let me
No,
show it
you
to
should
you.
not go into that, Nikhil. You have to go for the config. SSH
That's
config. You went SSD config. That's the wrong file. You have to go for SSH config file.
what's the value that you set?
So you have to use Cipher1 and you have to Diffie-Hellman. You copy that. No, not Cipher. You just uncomment that. Uncomment the Cipher1. First you uncomment the Cipher1. Okay. Comment, uncomment it. Okay, very good. Come to down. That's a, come to down. Then you copy that command Diffie-Hellman. Yes. Now you save this. Oh no, sorry. You have to pass the parameter. You have given the value. You have to pass the parameter.
What's the? Do you remember the parameter for it?
Yes. Go for the more SSH from there, because I don't want a spelling mistake. Do more. No, leave it. Not sorry. Man page. Man page of S. Go for man page of
Second,
S.
I thought
No,
I
it's
have the
not
parent
defined
already.
here. No, exchange method is not defined here.
Man, what SSH?
Yes. Enter. Go down. Yes, wait. You have to take the exchange key method. Wait, go down little. You can see exchange method. Are you able to see? I'm able to see.
But how? Where is it?
Wait. Where do I see just now? Tunnel.
Did I?
Yes,
Did I move first?
you go for
Give me one.
options. Options. No, leave it. You just enter. Wait. Go slowly. Enter. Again, you enter. Go for option O. Enter. Keep entering. Go down. Option. Wait. Yes. Here. Wait here. There is the host exchange algorithm. Can you copy that? Host key. Host key algorithm.
I can I can see the GSSP key exchange.
No.
Okay.
Key exchange. Yes, you can go key exchange algorithm down. Not host. Yes, key exchange. Yes. Next key ex. Yes, that's one. That one. Where?
TH algorithms.
Yes, you copy in Notepad. Same thing. You copy in Notepad first.
I've already copied.
Okay. Show me in Notepad.
Let me copy that over here first, and then you
Okay.
verify if it's correct.
You give. Wait. You give O in front of key because it's the options.
Option -O.
Yes, hyphen O. Right.
So is it TX hyphen
No,
O
not
or
on the at the
Before
beginning.
key.
At the beginning, Nikhil, at the
Before
beginning. Yes,
yes.
hyphen O. No, you have to know a space. You have to go
Remove the
with that
space.
without a space. Yes, this is right. Okay, now you save this. Now you try this.
This is not a valid option.
No, that's a valid option, but we are doing something wrong configuration you are doing. Let me show you what I have done. Because there you have to pass algorithm maybe different way in that file we have to edit. You have to configure on the top, I think.
I mean, it doesn't matter, right? All you have is host, the host.
Yeah,
You want all the Cipher.
Cipher is okay. Cipher is okay.
You have this command in your Excel sheet, Ashway, I guess. This hyphen O key exchange algorithm.
Okay, you stop showing me. Let me show you, and I will share you with the. Stop your screen. I'm going to show me what I have done
Mhm.
and how you have to resolve this. Okay, this is.
Yeah.
I'm going to share my screen. Let's see. I never practiced for the entire PC. I went for generally what I have done. So we have inventory file here, and I want to show you cat what I have done home directory dot ssh. Are you able to see my screen, right guys?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to go for config file, so you can see the options, or you without option you can use. You remove O and use this like this. Eject. So you can see on my screen this I have used. This is
Yeah, so that's a different because yeah,
yes. So key
there
exchange
was
you
no
remove,
option.
O, and option O you remove from that.
Yeah, that's hold on one thing. Let me do that real quick. And you have to do this equal plus
Uh,
if we have no clue.
So
Okay.
you create this credential in. I'm going to paste this. If you are not going to pass this, so I want to show you what is the error. Same error it will come to me. Let me edit this. So I'm going to edit this. So we have sudo vim, and I want to show you the error. Okay, so I'm doing this, going to comment out this for the study purpose. Let's see the problem what we have. Okay, so if I will do now access, so I will see the error. Can you see no matching key Diffie-Hellman 14? Diffie-Hellman 14 SHA key, we need to do that. So let's understand if I want to do this solution. So the same file sudo vim, I'm going to this file going to uncommented, and I have defined this key with the Diffie-Hellman. I did not define the cipher. Cipher is uncommented still. Then see what is the next level of challenge you will see. So Cipher, they are not looking for any Cipher because Cipher is already introduced. So you can connect with that. Are you able to see this, guys, everyone? If I define different Cipher, you will see the error. Intentionally, if I define the different Cipher, let me show you if the Cipher is the different. Specifically, I'm going to define the Cipher. What is the Cipher is just I will, in order to show you the error, go for insert mode and change the Cipher. Instead of this, I'm going to TDSC. That's a lower one. I'm going to use TDESCBC. This is not standard one for the cloud. So cloud will not going to exchange on this. They will give the error. Let's understand the error. So I'm going to communicate with the cloud. So you have to go for the standard one. You will see here this Cipher offer. They are telling their offer is only these three. Any one you have to use in that. So by default the Linux using one of these, but I can go for one of the lowest one. Copy this. Please enable copy paste in your terminal so that you can easily do this. Insert mode, then you remove this, and I use the one of the offered by the cloud. Now if you do, you can go. So last, I'm going to pack up for the day. So what about playbook? Do you remember playbook, guys? I want to integrate every parameter. So in the next class, we will do every parameter integration with the cloud, and then we're going to continue from the next talk. Okay, bye bye. See you in next.